Foul jersey number 19. First personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Swampo.
Kay Ivan. Hindi, white. Wait ba to?
Paano tong yung abiyan? Abiyan lang yung napalo eh. External mic mo.
Siyempre, external mic.
Saan dito? Saan tatlo dyan?
Sorry, we have an interruption, technical difficulties on the scoreboard. Titular, the long two, no good. Nabasero, offensive rebound. Nabasero, again. Basket is good. Steal, and Titular gets fouled.
Foul jersey number 32. Second personal foul, second team foul.
And
Two
Faler
shots
with his
forced
second
Blanco.
personal foul. Second shot's good.
Traveling violation.
Miguel will be called for a traveling violation. Another turnover para sa Lucas Basketball. Basket again by JL Mini Hoops. And Lucas Basketball
Timeout, Lucas
calls
Basketball.
for a timeout as
Remaining
JL
time,
Mini
6
Hoops
minutes and 46
leads
seconds.
here in
Score,
the first quarter.
3-14 in favor of GL Mini Hoops.
We are back to the ball game. Now, JL Mini Hoops pressuring on the defense.
8 seconds violation.
Now it's a turnover again for Lucas Basketball. Great defense showing by JL Mini Hoops.
10 to shoot.
Munoz, Nabasero. Nice defense. Miguel the steal. Miguel pushing the ball. Gives it to Swanko. Swanko will attack. Swanko against Nabasero. Swanko gets fouled.
Foul jersey number. Who's foul red?
It's a foul again on Nabasero.
Personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Swanko.
Nabasero, second personal foul. Swanko back on the line. First shot's good para kay Swanko. And second shot also basket. And we have a substitution for JL Mini Hoops. Lampera. Munoz attacking. Munoz, turnover. Salupado gives it to Faler. Concordia looking for the pass. Gets stopped by Lampera. 7 seconds to shoot para sa Lucas Basketball. Mikel. Didiskarte. Mikel attacking. Running shot again. Misses. Almost a steal by Titular. Cross-court pass. Finding Salupado. Salupado fires. Salupado miss. Faler offensive board. Titular gets a steal. 2-on-1, running. Titular missed the layup. Biñas spins. Biñas inside the paint. Basket's good. Swanko again attacking. 4 shot. And Swanko gets it to go. Munoz gives it to Titular. Now the kick out. Munoz, long bomb, no good. Mojica cleans the board. And no basket. Traveling violation called for Mojica. Now Concordia gets stopped again by Munoz.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Ball stays on Lucas Basketball. Now Concordia the inbounder. Mikel finding Concordia. Kick ball violation. It's a fresh 14 para sa Lucas.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Mikel attacks and another whistle and a foul.
Foul against number 13.
So foul on Munoz.
Foul, 13 foul.
Mikel on the free throw line. Miguel missed both free throws. Another rebound para kay Mojica. Munoz. Crossover. Titular fires and Titular hits. Another 3-pointer para sa JL Mini Hoops. Salupado. Bank shot is good. Salupado 5 points early here in the first quarter. Mojica against Salupado. Battle for the rebound. Lampera gets it. And Lampera basket. Lucas Basketball will try to attack. Miguel. Kick out. Salupado again. Wide open. No good. Nice backs out by Munoz. And Swanko. Corner triple. That's good para kay Swanko. Munoz again. Munoz will try to answer back. And he hits that corner 3-point. The love pass. Suangco finding Valer. Again, Munoz. Mojica, the elbow, Titular. Long two-pointer. Misses. Concordia grabs the rebound. Concordia to Miguel. Miguel with the fake. Miguel attacks. Miguel, nice defense. Nasil Salupado. Fast break, Concordia running, and Concordia lays it in. Titular again. Another turnover for JL Mini Hoops. Again, the fast break. Concordia gets fouled by Mojica.
Foul on Grace Hillsburg. 1. First personal foul 1 for penalty.
Lucas Basketball showing great defense. We have a substitution. First shot's good para Concordia. Concordia makes it 2 for 2 on the line. Titular. 3-pointer. Binyas the rebound. Marasigan. Shot clock winding down. Titular. Baseline no good. Suangco 5 seconds. Suangco. And that's it para sa ating first quarter.
The first quarter score 18-24
It's an 24-18 JL Mini Hoops with the lead. And we will be right back para sa ating second quarter ng ating Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs.
Ng mga alaban na parang namodo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast. Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paligan na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di-wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo.
Back to the ball game para sa ating second quarter. A steal by Suangco. Gives it to Miguel. Miguel count the basket. That's the foul. Bonus free throws para dito kay Miguel. And completes a 3-point play.
Set to shoot.
Munoz. Miguel the rebound. Swanko attacking. Swanko layup no good. Viñas rebound. Marasigan. Gets stopped by Concordia. Ball stays on JL Mini Hoops. Substitution for Lucas Basketball. Still Miguel. Concordia. Miguel again. Miguel attacks. Swanko. Nice defense. Out of bounds. Same ball possession. JL Mini Hoops. Again. Mojica. Ibigay dito kay Marasigan. Now we have a foul by Salupado.
Personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds. Double shot count.
Fresh 14 seconds for JL Mini Hoops. Viñas. Elbow jumper no good. Battle for the rebound. Concordia. Finding Salupado again. Back to Salupado. Nice defense by Viñas. And Marasigan gets a seal. And a foul by Salupado.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Salupado. Called for a personal foul. Swanko checks out para dito sa Lucas Basketball. Papalitan dito ni Faler. Mojica. Looking for the pass. Munoz. Quick shot. Air ball. Turnover again para sa JL Mini Hoops. Velasco checks in. Papalitan dito si Suarez. Dito sa side ng Lucas Basketball. Pass too strong. Titular. Ibigay kay Mojica. Munoz. Corner triple. Oh, foul. Called on Cortez.
First personal foul. Third team foul. 14 seconds. Double shot.
Cortez with the first personal foul. Mojica attacking. Layup no good. Concordia again grabs a rebound. Velasco. Again, reset para sa Lucas. Now it's Velasco with the fake. Pull up. Basket by Velasco. Nice defense by Cortez. Mojica. 4 shot. Nabasero. Obviously board. Nabasero again. And it's a shot clock violation. But we have foul called before the buzzer. Foul on Cortez. And Nabasero on the free throw line. He gets the first one. Basero again. 2-4-2. Eight seconds violation para sa Lucas. Turnovers. Another great defense by Mini Hoops. Nabasero. Inside the paint, Nabasero. Hook shot. Rivera gets fouled. Valera again will be called for personal foul. Rivera misses on the first free throw. Holding foul on Miguel. Holding Nabasero. Nabasero is too big against Miguel. No good on the first attempt para kay Nabasero. Also missed the second. Battle for the rebound. Munoz. Pulls up. Munoz can't hit. But Mojica says Mojica again. Second chance points para sa GL Mini Hoops. And a steal. Munoz. Finding Lumbera. Out of bounds. Last touch para dito sa GL Mini Hoops. Concordia again. Finding Salupado. Corner triple. Salupado. 3-pointer again. Now Lumbera tries to answer back. That's a miss. Mojica saves. Salupado intercepted the pass. And steal. Mojica back on defense. Mojica attacking. And a traveling violation called for Mojica. Salupado again, tries another one, no good. This time para kay Salupado. And Titular pushing the ball. Munoz. Traveling violation again by Mojica. Another turnover para sa Mini Hoops. Lucas Basketball showing great on defense. And out of bounds. Concordia commits another turnover para sa Lucas. Titular, baseline. Lumbera, second chance, very good. Miguel grabs the board. Out of bounds. Munoz gives it to Navasero. Navasero, nice move. But he misses the shot. Miguel gives it to Swanko. Swanko running. Swanko attacking. Lays it in, no good. Out of bounds. And ball goes to JL Mini Hoops. Munoz di diskarte. Munoz against Concordia. Finding Navasero. Navasero again with the miss. Miguel again grabs another rebound. Nice Concordia will attack. Poor shot, nice defense by Navasero on Mojica. Mojica running on the floor. Mojica. Lumbera. Pulls up, no good. Mojica again stays with the play. Another basket para kay Mojica. And Lucas Basketball calls for another timeout.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip.
We are back to the ball game. Jimeno with the miss. Marasigan. Pull up basket's good by Marasigan. Another defensive pressure by JL Mini Hoops. Swanko attacks. Swanko. Another whistle on the foul.
First personal foul, second team foul.
First shot no good para kay Swanko. Misses both free throws. Again. Out of bounds. Balik sa Lucas Basketball ang bola. Ilagan the steal. Pass break to Lipa. And Lipa lays it in. First basket para kay Lipa. Jimeno gets wide open. Badly misses the shot. Karasigan. Finding Lipa. The long two-pointer. Basket.
30 seconds.
Gelb. Jimeno again tries another one. Masyadong malakas para dito kay Jimeno. Munoz attacks. Miguel knocks the ball out of bounds. 12 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Ball stays on JL Mini Hoops with 11 seconds.
Lucas Basketball takes possession. 10 seconds remaining time.
So 10 seconds remaining. Swanko di diskarte. Jimeno fires. Another miss. Fast break. And that's it para sa ating first half ng ating 14 under division Lucas Basketball against JL Mini Hoops. Magbabalik Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Club Season 2.
Mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan.
Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay.
We are back to the ball game para sa ating second half. Battle between Lucas Basketball and JL Mini Hoops. Laurel, corner three-pointer, no good. Muñoz gives titular. Kick out, Muñoz. Triple basket para kay Muñoz. Suangco. Bibigay dito kay Miguel. Miguel, sidestep. Now a foul. So foul on Navasero. Navasero with a third personal foul. Again, miss the second free throw. Concordia intercepted the pass. Miguel gives it to Concordia. Concordia, triple. Badly misses another shot. Munoz. Pull-up jumper, no good. Mojica again. Nice defense by Faler. Well defended. Swanko, corner. Misses again. Mojica grabs a rebound. Titular. Triple no good. Mojica lays it in and basket. Miguel, bounce pass, Laurel, short jumper. Titular again will attack. Mojica, inside pass, Swanko intercepted the pass. Now Swanko pushing the ball. Swanko lays it in, basket. Titular again. Inside, Titular gets the basket. Laurel, open. Faler, rebound. Bibigay dito kay Miguel. Nice defense by Miguel. Faler. Inside, no good. Nabasero secures the ball. Titular, nice pass, but missed the shot by Pacquiao. Luango back to Miguel. Miguel sidestep, out of bounds. Ball stays on Lucas basketball with 4 seconds to shoot. Concordia finding Miguel. Pilar. Layup no good. Miguel, the rebound. Swanko ahead. Fast break. Again. Swanko with another basket. Easiest basket para dito sa Lucas. Titular again. Pull up J. Lumbera, second chance. Lumbera again. And this time, basket's good para kay Lumbera. Now finding Salupado. Salupado, triple, basket, it's good. Nice shot para dito kay Salupado. Inside pass. Suarez taps the ball and now pass break, basket plus the foul. Concordia. Nice defense by Lucas. And a basket on the other end. JL Mini Hoops calls for a timeout.
Pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Meron ka nung maliit ah. Kanina ba yung maliit? Kanina ba yung mini pan?
Ito isipan mo, ba't di mo pinasok kanina?
Kika ka po ba yung mini pan? Concordia with a bonus free throw, no good. Did not complete the 3-point play. Sorry again para sa ating interruption. Technical difficulties again sa ating scoreboard. Now back on the ball game. Swanko gets a steal. Swanko layup no good. Lumbera grabs the rebound. Barasigan pushing the ball. Barasigan guarded by Salupado. Back to Barasigan. Barasigan baseline. Out of bounds. Last touch by Swanko. Ball stays on the side of JL Mini Hoops with 7 seconds to shoot. Barasigan will inbound. Inside pass, Munoz. Miguel, the rebound. Concordia. Suarez saves the ball, but ends on JL Mini Hoops, Lumbera. Elbow jumper, Viñas. Nice defense. Salupado steals the ball. Nice hustle by Salupado. And Miguel on the other end gets the shot. Lumbera inside pass. Viñas. Munoz has the ball. Barasigan finding Lumbera. Open. Lumbera. Suarez. Battle for the rebound. That's a jump ball.
Lucas ball.
And it's a Lucas basketball.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Foul called on Swanko.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
14 seconds para sa JL Mini Hoops. Short jumper. Munoz. Mojica no good. And Nabasero gets fouled inside. Again, that's a foul on Swanko.
2 shots for Novacero.
Nabasero takes the first shot. Salupado. Corner triple, no good this time. Munoz pushing the ball. Munoz layup. Basero again, another rebound. And he gets fouled.
Foul on jersey number 22.
It's a foul on Salupado.
Second personal foul, 13 foul.
And Salupado with a second personal foul. Nabasero missed both free throws. Concordia again grabs another rebound. Concordia looking for to pass. Miguel, it's a traveling violation. Corner triple. Munoz, no good. Marasigan, pull up. We have a whistle again. It's on Concordia.
23 seconds remaining time. 14 seconds shot clock.
23 seconds remaining here in the third quarter. It's an offensive foul call on Mojica.
Jersey number 1, Mojica. Second personal foul, third team foul. 20 seconds remaining time.
Salupado. Now it's time again. Salupado with a missed shot. Mojica. And that's it para sa ating third quarter. It's a 47-36 in favor para dito sa JL Mini Hoops. Magbabalik po tayo.
Bola is life.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast
Yeah, back to the ball game para sa ating last and final quarter. Ating first game between Lucas Basketball and JL Mini Hoops ng ating 14 under division. Ten seconds to shoot. Concordia passes on. 5 to shoot. Miguel back to Salupado. Salupado. Turnover. Titular. Back to Marasigan. Marasigan triple. No good. Mojica. Basket. That's the foul. Again, there's a foul on Swanko. Swanko gets his third personal foul on Mojica. Player gets out of bounds. Ball stays on JL Mini Hoops. And Titular commits another turnover. This is a traveling violation. Balik sa Lucas ang bola. Mojica with the steal. Mojica lays it up and basket. And Coach Renz of Lucas calls for another timeout.
Pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha,
Sobrang dami ng dinayo, yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago, niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig, nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
We are back to the ball game. It's a turnover para sa Lucas after the timeout by Coach Renz. Titular. Entry pass, Mojica against Swanko. Nice defense by Swanko without committing a foul. Munoz. Pull up Jay Munoz, no good. Gets stopped by Viñas. Bola ay mapupunta sa Lucas Basketball. We have a substitution para sa JL Mini Hoops. Swanko gives to Miguel. Miguel, the running shot by Miguel, and he gets it to go. Titular. Great hands by Concordia. The pass break ahead. Miguel lays it up. Miguel with the miss. Barasigan. Barasigan, elbow jumper, no good. Battle for the rebound. It is Viñas, kick out, finding Titular, lunges, and hits the triple. Titular again, Viñas with the seal. Rebounded by Swanko. Finding Salvado, corner. Ilagan with the rebound. It's an 8 seconds violation. Salopado with a three-pointer. Titular. Munoz. Baseline basket. So ako bibigay dito kay Salopado. Kick out. Concordia. Back to Salopado. Get some space. Salopado hits another one. Nice ball movement by Lucas Basketball. And turnover para sa JL Mini Hoops. Balik sa Lucas ang bola. This is Concordia, bibigay kay Miguel. Miguel inside pass, Swanko, extra pass. Paler, short. Battle for the rebound. It's Salupado with the head hands. Back to Salupado. Paler, It's a traveling violation. Concordia. With a lot of turnovers. Marasiga ang launches. It's a foul called on Mojica. It's a third personal foul para dito kay Mojica. Salupado again, triple. This time, no good para kay Salupado. Marasigan pushing the ball. Bibigay kay Mojica. Mojica attacks. Mojica lays it in. Paler tries the corner. Miguel, nice fake. Miguel lays it in and basket. It's good. Tular, bibigay kay Munoz. Munoz baseline. Floater no good. Out of bounds. Ball stays on JL Mini Hoops.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Marasigan na inbounder. Bibigay dito kay Munoz. Kick out titular. It's a pushing foul by Mojica. Pushes Wango on the back. It's a fourth personal foul para kay Mojica. Finding Salupado. Gives to Paler. Swanko the follow-up. Basket is good by Swanko. Munoz, ika, titular. Three-pointer, no good. Then the shoot. Marasigan, get some space. Marasigan again. Bibigay kay titular, and titular gets the roll. And it's a steal, Munoz. Concordia with a nice foul on transition. It's a third personal foul para kay Concordia. Nabasero against Paler. We have a foul. Whistled on Paler. Paler with his fourth personal foul. Nice defense by Lucas. 5 seconds, titular. Bibigay kay Munoz. Munoz fires. Again, miss badly. It's a Lucas basketball. And Lucas calls for a timeout.
Remaining time, 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Score 39-59 in favor of Korea.
D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamakina. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash.
Saan naiwan? Studio? Now we are back to the ball game. Concordia, didiskarte. Bibigay dito kay Miguel. Back to Concordia. The kick out. Miguel gets some space. Munoz grabs the rebound. Munoz using the screen. Lombera. And it's a travel violation called on Lombera. Out of bounds, turnover para sa Lucas. Lombera spins. Moika, rebound. Makukuha ni Miguel, pass break onto sa Lupado. So 1 minute remaining para sa ating fourth quarter. Ten seconds to shoot. Titular, shot clock winding down, layup no good. Miguel the rebound. Miguel pushing the ball. But same ball possession. Ball stays on Lucas Basketball. And it's a steal. Steal by Cortez. 20 seconds. Loses the ball. Now on to Pakin. Pakin attacks. Layup. No good. And that's it para sa ating first game between Lucas Basketball and JL Mini Hoops. JL Mini Hoops gets the win at the first game here at South Basketball, Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Club Season 2. Stay tuned para sa ating next game ng ating 12-under division, Lucas Basketball versus JL Mini Hoops.
Napakalakas nila, ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw, sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid, baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid, titira ng tres.